those who work. You are married. How long have you been married for? They'll tell you 20 years, 25 years. Do you work? Yes, I do. What do you do? I have my own business. I run a shop. You run a shop. What time do you go to work? I leave at 6 every morning. What time do you get back? I leave at 6 in the evening. Do you have any shame? Are you living just to earn money? Is that it? You are now 50, 60 years old. You must understand, your life is not just to go out and work all day. Nor are we saying give up that work. But if you've earned enough money, there must be a point whereby you must cut your working hours to now enjoy that money and to now spend on your family and children and spend time with them. So if you work from 6 to 6 up to the age of say 40, after that cut it, work from 9 to 3. So now at least you can drop your children to school in the morning and pick them up in the afternoon. Have some 2 meals at least a day with your children, because the first question, or one of the first questions you will be asked regarding your children is, what was your connection with them? One of the first questions regarding children. Your duty as a parent, did you fulfill it or not? And you say, well, I was at work from 6 to 6, I don't know, ask my wife. And the wife will say, well, I had to go and spend time with my friends because my husband never sits and talks to me, so ask the maid. And the maid will say, well, I was sitting with my boyfriend, so you can ask him. That is the degeneration and decomposition of the home today. So it would be an act of worship if you say, I'm earning 5,000 rands a month. I will earn 4,500, but I will spend 2 more hours with my family. Wallahi, those 2 hours are worth more than 10,000 rands. If only but you know. How many people have a lot of wealth, but they don't have happiness in their homes? So many. And they will tell you, I can give this up, but I need happiness, I need contentment. And you tell them, it is not very difficult. Contentment is a gift, a treasure that never ever depletes. Never. If you have contentment, you have everything. If you do not have contentment, you have nothing, absolutely nothing. Forget about everything else. You can be a person with cancer. May Allah cure all those who have that disease. But if you are content with the taqdeer of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you will die smiling, I tell you. But if you have a mosquito bite behind your ear, may Allah protect us from those sounds in the evening. Even the sound is difficult to bear. And you are not content, you will be complaining for the week and for 2 weeks. And if you scratch it, maybe for 3 weeks. May Allah save us. So this is the contentment that we are taught by Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And that brings me straight to the next point. You are married. You must be content with what you have. Don't open your eyes elsewhere. Believe me, Shaitan beautifies other men and women, as I said at the beginning here. Once you are married, Shaitan tries to tell you, she is better than my wife. That one is better. And then when you get that, in the cases where people break their marriages to marry someone else who probably was also married and broke their marriage to marry them, that is how filthy the world has become today. There will be no contentment there again. What guarantee do you have? I always tell people who suffer this particular situation that, do you know what? You will probably be controlled totally in the next marriage, and you won't even realize it. Until you get into it and then you cry, oh, that woman was much better, or that man was much better. So the golden rule, be content. Do not compare your marriage with others. Be happy with what you have. Never ever compare. Can I tell you?